Hey, welcome to Dave's DIY. I've been in the building trade for over 20 years, and on my video channel I'm going to show you how to do loads of stuff. Things that you would never be able to see videos for, and I'm going to show you how to do them step by step. Now, you know that a lot of builders don't want you to know how to do certain things because they don't want the general public to learn how to do them. But I'm going to show you loads of tips and tricks on how to complete your projects to an excellent 5-star standard. Now, stay tuned and I'm going to show you all that great stuff.